Fante Fante is a fresh fish sauce consumed in Ghana. It is one of the most simple and delicious stew that is so easy to prepare, and it's also popular in the central part of Ghana. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making a quick, simple and tasty Fante Fante. So these are the ingredients I will need. I have some fresh tomatoes over here, some onions too. I also have garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, aniseed, and also fish powder, shrimp tablet, tablespoon of tomato paste, palm oil, and also the fish I will use for my stew. So let's get started. My fish is well cleaned, so I'm going to marinate it with some salt, also with some garlic granules. I'll also be adding some fish seasoning to it. I'll mix it because I want the fish to absorb the flavor, and after that I will set it aside before starting with my stew. So I have chopped my tomatoes, garlic, ginger, onion, aniseed. I'm going to blend them together. My pot is on the fire, so I'm going to pour in my palm oil. Let it heat for some minutes before adding my chopped onions. The onion has been frying for some minutes now, so I've added a tomato paste. Give it a quick stir, and I'll let this also be on the fire for 5 minutes before adding my blended tomatoes together with my ginger and garlic. After 15 minutes, my stew is doing so well, and I'll just give it a quick stir, and also I'm going to add my shrimp cube to it, and also I will add my fish powder, and I'll also add some pinch of salt, and I'll leave it on the fire for some 10 minutes before adding my fresh fish into the stew. After some minutes, it's time for me to add my fish to the stew, and at this point too I've reduced the fire so it is cooking under a very low heat. So this fish will be on the fire for 10 minutes. The stew is ready and so simple and quick to prepare. This can go with rice, banku, yam and others. Thank you all for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and share this video, and if you are new here, you are welcome, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also to my old returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for always taking your precious time to watch every video I post. Till I come your way, see you in my next video, and peace be with you.